Hello everyone, this is how we actually install the internal fitment LED upgrade, super LED upgrade for the Hyundai i30 FD 2006 and 2011 model. And this is the left hand side headlight, which we already removed, and we already did the restoration on the lens, and now we upgrade the lights at the back end. So this is our love kit already fit in, and the internal ballast already fit up right there, insert right on the top, you can stay in the top. Then the wiring, we push it in and we plug into the cable from the headlight, and after that we insert that part of the cable, original cable, on the side, push it in over here. So at the end it stay very easy like this. And now the original cover can be put back. Just put it back, and very straightforward. Here, okay, so you push the original cover back into the place and then twist it in, just like original mechanism, because the new system that we provide stay internally and it doesn't even touch the back end of the cap, so it's fully stay inside the factory headlight casing. And yes, that's the Hyundai FD 2006 and 2011. Easy to install internally, upgrade LEDs, and just come here and have a look. We plug in, so I'm bringing the light, just stay here for a moment. Yeah, that's like this. So you can see the lens already clean and clear back. And have a look here. We turn on the key and then we turn on the light, and you can see that the light in the front is just on the left side. Okay, that's the new LED light. It comes like that, super clear, okay, super bright, and properly push the light output very strong. We will soon upgrade that little LED parking light for that one, but look at the headlight, the main Lowbeam headlight is super LED at the back end, and that is in front. Okay, so that's easy to upgrade. Thank you, and we'll see you again.